امریکہ نے ایران کو وارننگ دیتے ہوئے کہا ہے کہ معاہدہ تسلیم کریں یا تاریخ کی سخت ترین فوجی کارروائی کا سامنا کریں۔ وائٹ ہاؤس کے ڈپٹی چیف آف اسٹاف اسٹیفن نے ایرانی قیادت کو سخت ترین الفاظ میں انتباہ جاری کرتے ہوئے کہا ہے کہ اگر دونوں ممالک کے درمیان جاری مذاکرات ناکام رہے تو ایران کو تاریخ کی بے مثال امریکی عسکری کارروائی کا سامنا کرنا پڑ سکتا ہے۔ امریکی نیوز چینل فاکس نیوز سے گفتگو کرتے ہوئے اسٹیفن نے واضح کیا کہ تہران کی موجودہ انتظامیہ کے پاس اب وقت بہت کم ہے اور انہیں امریکی شرائط پر مبنی فیصلے کا سامنا ہے۔ ایران کے پاس صرف دو راستے ہیں، معاہدے پر دستخط کرنے کے لیے راضی ہو جائیں یا پھر سزا بھگتنے کے لیے تیار ہو جائیں۔
What the terms of the deal are. Is this something that we've heard a lot of back and forth over the last 6 weeks during the ceasefire? Is this time different?
Well, we'll see, Jesse. As the president would say, we will find out. He's made it very clear. It's what they call a binary choice to the remainders, those who are left, those who have taken the place of the regime that was decapitated and the regime that was replaced. This new team in Iran has a choice to make. They can either agree to a piece of paper that is satisfactory to the United States, or they can face a punishment from our military, the likes of which has not been seen in modern history. That's the choice that they face. And it's very important to remember, as we sit here tonight, that Iran has already paid, its regime has already paid the steepest of prices in the form of a crushing and complete military defeat for its pursuit of a nuclear weapon. In other words, President Trump has enforced the non-proliferation principle of the United States with raw American might, sending a message not only to the Iranian regime, sending a message not only to the IRGC, but to the whole world, to anyone who would think of doing the same. We have killed and eliminated the evil, wicked, corrupt leadership of that country. The Air Force has been annihilated. The Navy has been annihilated. Its missile program has been annihilated. Its defense industrial base has been annihilated. So this is a country that has been weakened, emasculated, and has been completely deprived of its ability to wage global international war.